Hi guys, my mom went to Seven Brew and she got me Pink Mermaid. It has strawberry, coconut, and watermelon in it, and it's actually pretty good. And I'll see you later. By the way, we are making pancakes, bacon, and eggs. See you in a bit. Bacon. So first I'm gonna wash my hands before I start cooking it. Hi guys, so I just turned it on. Say hi, Mom. Hello. So yeah. Commercial break. So this is my mom, and she got
cinnamon roll. It's delish.
And we're still cooking the bacon because I don't know where the tongs are. Bye. See you later. Hi guys, so the bacon is sizzling now. And yeah, and I couldn't find the tongs, so I had to use this. And I'll see you when the bacon's almost done. So my mom found the tongs. But I only did that because my mom found the tongs. The bacon's not done yet. Hi, the bacon's done. I moved to a different location because the trash can is right here and we're cracking eggs. We're doing 4 eggs. The eggs are all in here. I'm gonna mix them. Garlic powder, pepper, and salt. A little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then a splash of milk. Of course, we have to clean as we go. So this is how I mix them. Final product. So I'm mixing the butter around for the eggs because I need to mix it around. So I'm gonna put it back on, and then I'm going to pour it. Say hi, Maddox.
Come here.
Okay, so now I need to get a scooper, and we will be back for part 2.